If you are wondering whether you can actually borrow money from Kikoff, you are not alone. This is one of the most common questions people ask before signing up, especially if they are looking for quick cash, a small personal loan, or a way to improve their credit without getting into debt trouble. In this video, I will explain clearly and honestly whether Kikoff lets you borrow money, how it really works, and whether it is worth signing up for based on your financial goals. Let us start with the short answer. No, Kikoff does not work like a traditional cash loan where money is sent to your bank account. You cannot borrow cash from Kikoff to pay rent, buy groceries, or cover emergencies. Kikoff is a credit-building platform, not a payday lender or personal loan provider. However, there is more to it than just a simple no, and understanding how Kikoff works can help you decide if it is still useful for you. Kikoff is designed for people who want to build or rebuild their credit score. This includes students, people with no credit history, or anyone recovering from bad credit. Instead of giving you cash, Kikoff gives you a small line of credit, or a credit builder loan that is reported to major credit bureaus. The goal is to help you show positive payment history, which is one of the most important factors in your credit score. When people ask if they can borrow money from Kikoff, they are usually referring to the Kikoff credit account or the Kikoff Credit Builder Loan. With the credit account, Kikoff gives you access to a small credit line, often starting at around a few $100s. But this credit can only be used inside Kikoff's platform. You use it to purchase digital products, such as credit education tools, and you are not allowed to withdraw the money as cash. This means you are technically borrowing, but not in a way that gives you spending money. Kikoff charges a small monthly fee instead of interest, and you make on-time payments. Those payments are then reported to credit bureaus, helping you build a positive credit profile over time. Now let us talk about the Kikoff Credit Builder Loan, because this is where some people get confused. With this option, Kikoff sets aside a small loan amount for you, but they do not give it to you up front. Instead, you make monthly payments toward that loan. Once you finish paying it off, the money is released to you. This is known as a secured credit builder loan. So again, you are not getting immediate cash, but you are building credit while saving money at the same time. For someone looking for fast cash, this is not the right solution. But for someone who wants to improve their credit score safely, this can be a smart move. If your main goal is to borrow money quickly, Kikoff is not the platform you are looking for. It is not a personal loan app, and it does not offer instant cash advances. However, if your goal is to qualify for better loans in the future, such as auto loans, credit cards, or even mortgages, Kikoff can help you get there by strengthening your credit profile. One important benefit of Kikoff is that it does not require a hard credit check. This makes it appealing to people who are worried about damaging their credit further. It also keeps costs low, with predictable monthly fees instead of high interest rates. For many users, this feels safer than high-risk lending options. Before signing up, you should ask yourself one key question. Are you trying to solve a short-term cash problem, or are you trying to improve your long-term financial health? If you need money today, Kikoff will not meet that need. But if you want to build credit so that you can qualify for real loans with better terms later, Kikoff can be a useful tool. In summary, you cannot borrow cash from Kikoff, but you can use Kikoff to build credit through a controlled borrowing system that reports positive activity to credit bureaus. It is best seen as a stepping stone, not a money solution. Understanding this difference can save you time, frustration, and unnecessary sign-ups. If you are considering Kikoff, make sure it matches your financial goal. Credit building takes patience, but it can open doors to better borrowing options in the future.